Hey, what's up guys? I know, it's been a while, but I'm back. Well, sort of. Let me show you around. I know, it's been a while, it's been probably too long for some of you, and I do apologize, but I'm kind of back, you know, this is what I'm dealing with now. I'm nearly there. Let me show you around, and then I'll tell you what's been happening over here. Let's go. So guys, this is the new place, the new workshop. It's messy right now. It's a lot of going on over here. But where I am right now to where it was when I got this place, it's a night and day difference. We got still a lot of mess and still a lot of work to do over here, but at least I got my bikes over here. I got my benches, you know, all my tools on my workshop is moved out over here. This unit, it's still a single garage, but it's much longer than all my previous ones. As you can see, I can fit easily 8 motorcycles over here when the previous one only 4 could fit in, and that's a bonus. We got standard garage 3 meters wide and a little bit longer because I'm 8 meters long over here, so that's good. More space means more projects, more workshop, more work going on over here, and that's always a good thing. As you can see, I'm still kind of halfway there. The new lights, they need to go up, the old ones need to go. I still got all the electrics to do. I need to tidy up the shelves. It's basically still quite a lot to do over here, but at least I'm making progress. There's quite a few exciting projects coming up. People are waiting, I know you guys are waiting, so I'm gonna waste no more time, and yeah, I'll take you back here when I'm kind of done. It may take me a few more weeks, but we're getting there. And before I say goodbye for this episode, I have to thank all of you guys who've been messaging me. There's been constant flow of messages since I kind of disappeared, asking me when's the next video, if I'm okay, what's going on, you know, am I still alive? Absolutely, from the bottom of my heart, guys, thank you so much. That meant a world to me. It really did, you know, so that kind of motivated me to, you know, start working faster and quicker and harder on this little project here, so we can reopen the Cambridge Pinstriping workshop, and that's exactly what we do it. Guys, once again, all of you guys who messaged me and supported me through all that, you know, inactivity period, and all the patrons that stay with me through that time. There've been a little bit of going on the patron side, not too much, but you guys stuck with me, and I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very, very much. Enough talking. If we want to see more videos, I need to talk less and work more, so we can get this place up and running for you motherfuckers to see a bit more of a Cambridge Pinstriping magic. Let's do this. Oh yeah, nearly forgot. Rock hard, drink beer, and I'll see you very soon.